first we open the kennels. There's Etta, Atticus, there's Stella. And here are their bowls. And Piper's won't be here, but and Etta's has her name on the bottom because it looks just like Percy's. And Percy's has a towel underneath it because we spread that on the rug, but I'll show you that in a second. But Percy gets dry food, so I put but she gets hot water in it. Okay, you spread the towel. Hey, Etta. Okay, do her. Percy's dry food and Etta's canned. She gets 2 scoops of dry. Etta's cans are over here. She gets the EN. That's squished. That's horrible.
Yeah, that's it. That one's
not low fat.
That's had a rough life.
Atticus's EN low fat will be here, but he will likely have one in the kitchen. I mean, in the refrigerator, because he gets 1/3 of a can on top of his dry. Etta gets a 1/2 a can. And Percy's gets just enough to where it, so I let it sit like that while I'm making the other dog's food. All right, so Stella just has something. She gets some more. 1/2 a can.
A little more.
Okay. Okay. And then, oh yeah, Atticus is third. Okay, he gets 1/3 of that on top of the dry food will be down here. I give him a heaping plus a little more. And then he'll get 1/3 of that wet on top of that. It's really neater than that sometimes. And then I do give Percy a little teaspoonish on top of hers. She likes of that low fat, just a little bit. Just as a little treat. And then Stella gets, oh gosh, Stella. I didn't do that. I should have done that other first. Stella gets a heaping and a 1/2 in that bowl. And then Stella is being rotten. So she has, in the top portion of this drawer, those 2 drawers, there will be this little frozen sausage that's cooked. I've been using this little bowl that'll be up here on this counter. And she gets 2 spoonfuls. Oh, that's good. There's your time cook 20, power level 4 in the microwave. Yeah. And then the lid, the lid to put Etta's will probably be up here to put her 1/2 back in, and Grace will feed her the rest when she gets home. But can you do that? I'm happy we're feeding this so you can see how excited. Okay, we get Edda's little, we're doing this in the morning because the video didn't record the night before. So Edda's gonna get her morning medicine this morning. So she was,
Yeah.
we tried to give it to her ahead of time and she,
Ignore this part.
oh yeah, she's getting her a little,
That's for gut medicine.
okay. Where's her, turkey? Her,
It's over there.
okay,
I'm gonna give it to her when she gets in her kennel.
okay. I
Are
just
you
want-
ready for that?
Yeah, I just want, happy to see her run. All right, Edda. Piper's so confused. All right, you got Atticus in there? Here, okay. I was gonna do Piper while you do Stella, so
Okay, Piper. There you go.
go Piper. Go in.
This is a reminder.
All right, so they're all eating. And then Percy has her little towel right there. Yay! And that's it. As soon as they're eating, I let them out. I actually let them out I pick up Percy's bowl first. And then I'll let Edda out. And then I guess it doesn't matter after that, but I do pick their bowls up and put them back on top of here. And then that's it.
Food goes in the fridge.
Yeah, and the food goes back in the fridge. She'll know that. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.